Welcome to the installation video of the Curt MultiPro Multi-Flex tailgate sensor on a 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. This tailgate sensor is available for both 2-inch and 2.5-inch receivers on Chevy or GMC model trucks with the multi-position tailgate. With no accessories in the hitch, begin by placing the top half of the sensor over the top of the receiver tube. Next, place the bottom half of the sensor around the bottom of the receiver tube. Insert a socket head cap screw with flat washer through the channel of the attachment tab, securing it with a nylock nut. Using a 5/32" Allen wrench, tighten the hardware, altering back and forth to make sure that the sensor stays square on the receiver tube. From under the vehicle, route the sensor wiring harness along the passenger side where the trailer hitch main body bends. Next, route the harness between the bumper and the trailer hitch, ending up feeding the harness above the spare tire. Open the tailgate and locate the factory wiring harness. Route the MultiPro Multi-Flex harness following the factory wiring through the hole near the tailgate. Zip tie the wiring in place so it doesn't hang below the vehicle. With the tailgate open, remove the screws holding the plastic panel covering the main part of the tailgate. Set the panel aside and open the inner tailgate panel, exposing the locking mechanisms. Starting on the passenger side, remove the fasteners securing the tailgate locking mechanism. Repeat this on the multi-function locking mechanism. Next, remove the outer tailgate locking mechanism by pressing the locking tab towards the wires and pressing on the locking tab, taking care not to damage the tabs. Repeat this with the inner tailgate mechanism. Locate your MultiPro Multi-Flex wiring harness and identify the passenger and driver side by the labeled ends. If the wiring harness is not labeled, the green and yellow wires attach on the passenger side, and the green and brown wires attach on the driver's side. Attach the wiring harness between the locking mechanism and the factory wiring, making sure to close the locking tabs. Once the wiring harness is attached, realign the locking mechanism to their original location and secure them in place with the factory hardware. Now, repeat this entire process on the driver's side. Route the sensor wiring harness through the tailgate and out the large opening. Connect the sensor wiring harness with the taillight wiring harness and place the connected ends into the tailgate opening. Secure the taillight wiring harness to the factory wiring with the supplied zip ties and reattach the tailgate cover. This completes the installation of your new MultiPro Multi-Flex tailgate sensor. When the hitch cap is opened and a towing accessory is installed, the inner tailgate will not operate, saving you from costly repairs. When there's no accessory in the hitch and the cap is closed, the inner tailgate will function normally. Thanks for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.